Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. If you're looking to expand your Metamask wallet in 2025, adding the Matchain network is a game changer. It's fast, easy, and will open up new opportunities for decentralized apps and transactions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Metamask extension installed on your browser. If not, head over to the Chrome Web Store or wherever you get your extensions and download it quickly. Once that's done, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Metamask wallet by clicking the extension icon in your browser. You'll see your main dashboard. Log in if you haven't already. Now, click on the network dropdown at the top, usually showing Ethereum by default. From there, select Add Network, or go to Settings and find the Networks section. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. In the Add Network page, you'll need to enter the details for the Matchain network. Type in the network name as Matchain. For the RPC URL, use something like https://rpc.matchain.com. Double-check this on the official Matchain website to ensure it's up to date for 2025. Next, add the chain ID, which is typically 1234 for Matchain, the currency symbol is Match, and the block explorer URL is https://explorer.matchain.com. Hit Save or Add once everything is filled out. Step 3. After adding the network, switch to it from your network dropdown. Test it out by checking your balance or trying a small transaction. If you run into any issues, like connection errors, make sure your internet is stable or verify the RPC URL again. It's that straightforward. There you have it. You've just added the Matchain network to your Metamask wallet. This will give you access to exciting new projects and lower fees in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that Web3 future together.